Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Just taking a quick look at XRP here, and as we can see, looking like we are on the move here today. We've just seen some news about the Hinman emails getting released, which is obviously going to be a massive catalyst for XRP. A big component of the SEC case against Ripple, I think, is to do with the lack of clarification and basically no clarity whatsoever about the SEC and their members about what they think about what securities really are. And obviously this is going to be pivotal, I think, pivotal in regards to that case. We can see this has obviously been a big component of the Ripple case for a long time, a big talking point amongst it, and with rumours that they are now going to be released and be a part of the court hearing, we can see XRP here having a little bit of a potential breakout of its bear market resistance for the last bull run, which is very, very interesting to see. You can see here resistance, 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 and looking like now potentially here finally after grinding up against this resistance for about a week or two, could be getting a breakout here towards the next key level. Obviously that Fibonacci level, the 0.38 at around 60 cents would be our next target. You can see here on the charts, I've had a little bit of chop recently. I actually closed my previous short position that I did have ready at this range high a few days ago, probably at around this level here, when I saw that this was getting a decent bounce. So this has closed in a little profit for me, and right now I am just waiting and seeing what is going to happen next here. If XRP does start to run up, I will be looking for potentially a little bit of a breakout back test and then take a long position kind of play, looking something like this. It's currently at around, what is this, the resistance, that 54.5 level, range high resistance, that previous range high resistance, looking for basically a break retest of that for support and a bounce. But right now XRP looking like it's just having a little bit of a nice little bounce to the upside. We've just got the news as of recording this video about these Hinman documents getting released, so very interesting times indeed. And I do think realistically we are probably going to get ourselves a very, very nice little move to the upside over the course of the next few days if we do see ourselves getting a clean break of this high. Obviously a little bit of caution, we are getting some bearish divergences here, so this could turn around quite easily and head back down inside the range, which is why I'm waiting for a clear breakout and back test before I would take any positions here. I'm not condoning anyone that takes a long position on a breakout on the back of some hype. In case it just completely reverses, it's entirely possible. But right now XRP looking like it is on the cusp of some potential greatness here, heading up, and maybe if it can close outside of this previous range here today, we could see ourselves having a nice move to the upside overall. So that is it for today guys. Interesting times ahead for XRP. Thank you very much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.